Yeah, today's topic we are going to see the topic is STLC in some phases. STLC is the software development life cycle. It's 7 phases. Is of developing work. Full of now I should develop. Now I telling agile. It's also developing work. Now I telling. So like planning, first we have the 7 phases. First phase is planning, second analysis, third is design and coding or implementation, other is testing, deployment and maintenance. It's a 7 phase. We should, if we want to develop if we want to develop the product, we should complete on 7 phases. Okay, so planning, analysis, designing, coding or implementation, otherwise it's a building. Okay, so otherwise testing, deployment and maintenance. Okay, now we will be see the agile scrum framework. Agile is a scrum framework, like we will be see the about agile methodologies. Agile, what is the agile? What's the agile? Agile is interactive and incremental process. Means like repeated. Interactive means repeated process. You know already development project we are using SDLC. Okay, it follows certain phases: recommend, analysis, designing, documentation, development, testing, delivery. These things we have to see. So the same process repeated, nothing but analytics. That's it. Okay, it's the same process. It's interactive. Like same process repeated. Okay, it's repeated means like we have to create a Jira ticket, sprint planning, sprint review, sprint meeting, like a Scrum Master. We have to see that if we want to develop the product, each each things what we have to do in developer, QA and product design team. They are what we have to do in anything. We will be each and every statements we have to mention same in the Jira portal. We have to use agile methodologies. Okay, we'll tell all things briefly. Okay, so incremental means adding features. If you want add any feature, we will be if you want add any features in the product, it's of incremental. Agile is nothing but interactive and incremental process. Agile, because Agile is big advantages. We have some methodologies are waterfall methodology, V model and spiral model. So there are some methodologies. So the customer no need to wait for long time. Then we can get software or product on every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Correct. So we can change the requirement at any time or any stage test, and there is no opportunity to chance the requirement of change middle of the product. This is be not able to, if you want product done. Okay, if I wanted to change anything, not able to change on it waterfall model. If you're using more waterfall model, we not able to change on it. Agile methodology, if each sprint is completed, we will be use the product to owner. Okay, they will use it, it's done. Okay, but if you wanted to if you wanted to modify the product, we will be modified. It's done. So we can change requirement or accommodate the any stage, that no problem. So collaborations work means communication between developing team, product owner, junior senior team, some other admins. It works, everything happens. So no communication, we can easily communicate with all team members. That's nothing but collaboration. So Scrum Master, QA team, admin team, all are working in this project, in this product. Okay. Example, expect a piece of software every 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Correct. Each sprint we have to create every 3 weeks or 4 weeks, whatever. Okay. Agile principles. Now we have to see the agile principles. Point number one. Customer certifications, main agile principles. Customer certification, we have to develop the product. We have to develop the project. So customer we need to wait for, no need to, customer no need to wait for no long time. Okay. We immediately we will be give the product like 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, you can access the requirement any stage. We can any change of the requirement at the any time or any stage. It mean agile principles. So we need to communicate easily with the teams and members, like junior developer, senior developer, it's a developer QA testing, this product manager, this also. So we can develop and test. We can develop and test and release the piece of software. Few members or customer get piece of software in on every 3 weeks or 3 weeks. What is the, we have to know? We have to see Scrum. What's the Scrum? Scrum is a nothing but a framework to build a software product by following agile process. Scrum in 5 to 8 members like product owner, Scrum master, developing team, creative, both. Okay, what is the responsibility of the product owner? Product owner is special designations on IT companies. We have specific owner, some specific designations. His main responsibility communication with team member, and he collect the data or collect the user requirements. We definition product features for prioritization of features. Increase the product owner and act not development. Whatever developer product it is, accept of average percentage we can access the product. Now we will be say the scrum master. We know scrum master, correct? Scrum master drive the agile process. He will take the he or she, you know, okay, he will take care of all entire product, whether the product is going as per on agile principles or not. If anyone faces to any issues or will take that he will take personating the candidate as well, all are creating, developing and testing the software. So this is Scrum Master, product owner, Scrum Master, developing team and creating both. We will take about some Scrum terminologies. Okay, what is sprint? Sprint planning meeting, sprint review, sprint restorating, like what's daily standard meeting. We'll explain this. What is sprint? Sprint is nothing but its principal duration of time. It to complete a user story. Generally, every IT company is working on sprint durations, but 2 to 3 weeks. You have to complete the table, or you have to complete the user stories within the particular time. That is nothing but sprint. It's duration of time. Okay, we have to complete the product on duration of time each sprint. Okay, so which is sprint planning? They will discuss in the meeting what are all the user stories, the delivery in the particular sprint. Okay, it's a sprint planning meeting. So what is scrum meeting? It's nothing but daily stand-up meeting. It's nothing but it's we have to do daily stand-up meeting. They will discuss about what did you had yesterday, what we are going to today, and what are the problems we need to solve it. We need to face it. So they will discuss these things also every day and around 10 to 15 minutes on every day. It's standard form. Okay. So now let's see the agile product methodology process. The product owner will take the input from the stakeholder or customer or end user. He will collect the user stories from futures, functions, customer, stakeholder, clients, product owner responsibility. He gathered all the data. Okay, it's a product backlog. It contains a list of stories. What is product backlog? It contains list of user stories. It will prepare any product owner. Will connect with the sprint planning meeting. The meeting is what are all the user stories complete in this specific time or particular duration should complete the task. Okay. Next point. How many members of user stories we have to complete, and then sprint backlog? What are the committed? Okay, the product backlog, all the user stories available and all the features are available. Correct? So, but the sprint flag is all the committed and all the user stories available. And the sprint will start, so the sprint will start and user duration is 1 to 4 weeks. And every 24 hours, one daily standard meeting there, who will come, who will connect with Scrum Master. Scrum Master will discuss what did you had yesterday, what do you are doing, what did you do today. And these things also as a Scrum Master connecting. Okay. The Scrum Master will ask the each individual candidate about his work, each and everything on daily standard call. The Scrum Master prepare one group are based on the well down and based on the you can analyze based on the we have to create a Scrum Master. So you can analyze the performance of a product. You completed the first sprint meeting. Product owner connect with the sprint review meeting. Okay. As a product manager connect with the sprint review meeting, clearly product owner whether it's work as well. So the sprint review each and everything we check. You check it out after the sprint review meeting. One or more meeting in sprint request meeting is about discuss about what done well, what went well, how to performance of the like what type of issues we need to face it, how will we overcome the issues. So they will discuss about these things into the last sprint. So there is overall agile process. Now we have to see node. Actually product may owner responsibility, he will take input and prepare product backlog. It's these things also list of user stories. So we have to backlog content requirements available, preparable sprint, these things also. So yeah, it's also agile process. Now we have to tell one thing. If I this process is practically will explain in. I will share the screen and I will explain these things also how we can create a Jira ticket into the Jira portal. Okay, how to create Jira ticket, how to create sprint ticket. If I once created sprint ticket, I wanted to modify the sprint. If I wanted to modify the sprint, we will be modified. How to modify it? How to sprint start it and end. So all these things of will explain. Otherwise, so workflow is once done. After that, we have to create workflow. Workflow means like developing UAT. It is once complete analysis plannings. After that, backlog is once created each sprint. So then backlog. We have to track and trap. It's using backlog. Backlog is also user stories is backlog. Okay. Then we have to doing planning analysis. Once completed, we have to say once completed analysis, we put the status into the Jira portal. Analysis done. After that, we have to code review completed. We have to check the code review. Once code review done, UAT check the UAT. UAT is done. Then we have to check QA. QA is will explain. Next, I will these things is I will explain all things briefly. Okay, today this audio is I talk about the agile process only. Okay, so how to create workflow as a developer. Okay, then a lot of things. If a product owner, product manager, how to connect within the how to work on it Jira portal. They are so will explain things.